All right, scholars, guess what? You've talked me into it. You've talked me into it. A lot of you have reached out to me and asked if I offer online classes for PEP and CSEC. And it's something that I just never had the time to do. But guess what? I've finally been able to free up some time. So here's what you want to do. You want to write down the number that you see on your screen right now, and you're going to give me a call and secure your space. Okay. So yes, I've freed up some space. We're going to be doing online classes for PEP and CSEC. That's right, from grade 4, grade 5, grade 6 PEP, as well as CSEC, mathematics, and English language. So give me a call. Here's the number on your screen. Write it down and call me right now. So we're going to have some very intense and comprehensive classes for both PEP and CSEC. You're going to have my undivided attention, and we're going to delve into the core of the syllabus, work some past papers, and break down, really get to the nitty gritty, and look at some error analysis, see why and how students go wrong. And of course, we're going to look at all different papers for the PEP, the ability tests, the performance task, the curriculum-based tests. And for the CSEC, we're going to be doing multiple choice and paper 2, right? So, of course, as usual, we're going to enjoy each other's time because we always have a great time. We make good company with each other. I'm sure you know that by now. So, write the number down. Give me a call right now to secure your space. Don't wait one more minute. All right, guys. So I'll see you online classes.